Hi again. Going forward into the next section from the settings tab, meaning show on tracker but do not include as paid days off. Okay, what that means? It means that from your entire list of reasons, from this one you have built in the preview section, you are able to select three of them, which are might be medical leave reasons, or simply other type of leave, like a delegation or a meeting when an employee might be out of office for the entire day and you do not want to subtract these days from the total number of paid days off, meaning from this one. So if an employee has 28 days yearly, 28 paid days yearly, and you might need to send that employee one day off for different reason, let's say for delegation. You don't want to subtract that day from its total number of paid days off. Okay, so you just simply need to use in your regular list of reasons, like delegation. Let's replace this medical service leave. Maybe you don't need it, but let's add a delegation to demonstrate the purpose of this, and its abbreviation, let's say it's del, and we want to add that reason to our medical reason or other related time of reasons that we do not want to subtract them from the total number of paid days off. So I have a delegation in the default list of reasons, and I'm using it here along the other two, like sick leave and maternity and paternity. Okay, and let's uh, update a bit. For William Brown, let's say I have a delegation reason for December 30, and I do not want this day to be subtracted from its total number of paid days off annually. Okay, I want to show it in the tracker. I want to know that he was out for delegation, but I do not want to subtract it from its total number of paid days off. So I am recording it here. I am selected the reason delegation, and when I'm going to the employee per year for which one was it? William Brown. Okay, that's perfect, William Brown. And I'm looking in December. I see in December 30 is out for delegation. Okay, and it's not counted. Same for medical, maternity and paternity reasons, because we have recorded these in the same way here. Show on tracker, but do not subtract from the total number of yearly paid days off. Okay, and I see he is out in December 30 for delegation, but it's not subtracted from anywhere. It's showing onto the chart. It is showing here on the top 1 day for William Brown. Further in the employees per month, also if I select December, I see in December William Brown. This is the tab for all the employees. William Brown in December as maternity and paternity leave, and delegation on 30, which is a Saturday. Okay, also it is not recorded. It is not counted as paid days off. If I select to just remove this from the shown tracker but not include as a paid days off, then if it's not recorded here, it will be subtracted from its total number of yearly paid days off. So I have it here, delegation. I'm going to the employee per year. I see William Brown is on delegation and it's counted, meaning 1 day. It will be subtracted from the total number of its yearly paid days off. Okay, same in the employees per month. William Brown for the month of December is having a delegation and is counted and subtracted from its a total number of paid days off. If I do not want to subtract it, it doesn't matter the reason. You can record any reason you like here, a meeting, a delegation, I don't know, anything you will be using in your company. So if I want to do not subtract this, I'm just recording this here and the delegation, and then it will not be calculated and not subtracted from the total number of its paid days off. Same in here. Okay, let's go further. Let's presume I don't have anything recorded here. Maternity, paternity, I don't want sick leave, I don't want to use any of this, because let's presume sick leave and maternity and paternity are all included in the total number of its paid days off yearly. If I'm going into employee per year for William Brown, I see now that everything is counted. He's having 7 days of maternity paternity, and the delegation it's counted 8, and all it's subtracted now from its total number of paid days off for the 2023. And further, if I'm going to the employee per month for William Brown, I see maternity paternity and delegation is counted and subtracted from its total number of paid days off. But in case I have some records I do not want to use and subtract, sorry for that, I will just record it here: maternity, paternity, sick leave, it doesn't matter the order, and delegation, it will be built based on your default list of reasons, and now everything, it will not be counted for those 3 reasons, and it will not be subtracted. That is all about this section. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. Any issues related to this section, please let me know and I will fix it quickly, and I will build a short tutorial with a new update in case it's needed. Thank you. Have a good day.